Hi guys. Remember the gardening I did in February in between snows? And how I freed my peony from the chokehold that the grass had given it? The grass got in and took over and made its life a living hell. Last year I got a what was supposed to be a flower that never bloomed, and it just collapsed and just laid there, and I knew I had to do something. Well, look at this. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19, maybe 20 20 peonies this year. And I got it a little peony support. So look at that. And they smell heavenly too. Isn't that wonderful? So I'm very happy. Sometimes it pays to garden in the winter. You know, you got to take it when you can get it. So I wanted to just pop in and say hello to you guys. And I live right by a freeway. And two babies were hit in a stroller. And it was a horrible accident. There was a car that had slowed to let them cross. And then another car behind it didn't know that people were crossing the highway with two babies in a stroller. And it went around and kept going at like 45, 50 miles an hour, slammed right into the stroller and sent one baby flying, and one baby was still in the stroller. The one that went flying was dead. It was dead. He wasn't breathing, nothing. My son was the first one there, and my son's fiance went and stopped the traffic and Jean called 911, and a nurse seconds later showed up and gave CPR. And it took a half hour to revive the little boy, and they had to land Mediflight on the highway to take the little boy to Sacred Heart, where he's still fighting for his life. Today, in the drain tube that's in his brain, because it's swollen, it's been very swollen. There was brain matter, like I think probably brain fluid, and clogging it. And that's not good, but that doesn't mean that he has brain damage. We're just going to have to see. What bothers me is that these are babies that I saw the mother just at the end. I was so upset. I thought they were taking a body bag out. I was so upset. I just had full PTSD from, when Virgil died, it all came, and I was just hysterical. And I hugged my grandkids for the longest time, and but it wasn't a body bag, it was a blanket. So it was mom, her 11-year-old, and her two babies. The mom suffered a broken wrist. The 11-year-old got some cuts and abrasions, but the babies had multiple fractures. One went home today, Obadiah, but Jeffrey Thor is still in the hospital and probably will be for some time. Don't know if there's any paralysis or anything yet. Sorry, I smoke now. But I'm keeping up on updates. Then the very next day, my son Gene had an accident. He took a scooter to go pick up his car, and they go like 15 miles an hour, and he was going down wherever he was going, and he hit some dirt and wiped out. He broke 3 ribs, and he's got a big old owie right there, swollen, concussion. uh, cuts and scrapes and every hamburger skin, but he's all right. He's home. He didn't get admitted. He was in the ER for a while though, taking CAT scans and stuff, and so he'll be okay. So yeah, it's been quite dramatic around here lately, and I'm still working, and I really like my job. I'm glad I can, work finally. I've been waiting to work for years. So I work today on my day off. Working tomorrow. They're going to have a little barbecue at work and a little prize drawing for everybody who shows up. I guess Memorial Day weekend is a tough one for companies to get their staff to show up. But not me. I'll be there. Anyway, I just wanted to say hi and happy Memorial Weekend, and please stay safe. All right? Bye.